Your body is not a machine for productivity. It is a living part of nature. And when you align it with the natural elements, your energy changes.
As professionals and entrepreneurs, we spend hours in front of screens, disconnected from our bodies. Today, let's reconnect through movement with nature. Choose one activity that calls you: a walk in the fresh air, go for a mindful run, swim and feel the water, strengthen your body at the gym or at home, practice yoga and deep stretching.
But remember, every body is unique. So listen to your body, know your limits, use the right gear, and consult a physiotherapist or a fitness coach or a trainer to practice effectively and safely. So today's challenge for you: move your body for 20 minutes, be it any of the activities that you prefer to do, and comment day one done when you finish. And follow for the next part of Nature Aligned Self Care series for entrepreneurs and professionals. See you tomorrow.